The long-term health effects of alcohol, impaired driving Part 4. Damaged immune system. The immune system of your body is in charge of fending off and avoiding infection from harmful microorganisms including bacteria, viruses, and parasites. Additionally, it looks for and removes cancer-causing cell mutations. Multiple ways that drinking alcohol weakens the immune system include: white blood cells that attach to and destroy invader cells will lose some of their effectiveness. White blood cells that target tumors will become less active. There will be a slowdown in immunological T-cell synthesis. Production of cytokines will be restricted, which will facilitate the replication and spread of infectious organisms. Additionally, excessive alcohol use can cause autoimmunity and irritate the immunological system. The defense cells in your immune system will become confused in this situation and may wind up attacking your own healthy tissue. Psoriasis, inflammation of skin cells, rheumatoid arthritis, inflammation and degeneration of joints, multiple sclerosis, degeneration of the nerves, lupus, whole body autoimmunity, and a number of other chronic illnesses can all be brought on by autoimmune reactions. Malnutrition. Malnutrition brought on by alcohol might have a negative impact on your overall health. Alcohol may prevent the intestines from properly absorbing nutrients from food, according to studies. The mucous membranes in the stomach and gut may be inflamed, and the pancreas may not be releasing enough enzymes as a result. Malnutrition has a negative impact on every area of the body. You will feel the following symptoms when your body cells do not receive the nutrition they require to function properly: extreme tiredness, disruptions in sleep, lethargy, inability to think clearly, pains and aches, frequent diseases and infections, hair fall, slow wound and injury recovery. Malnutrition can eventually result in serious sickness, organ failure, and death if it is allowed to persist for an extended length of time. Obesity and chronic alcohol use have a substantial relationship. Contrary to popular belief, it is possible to be overweight and undernourished at the same time. Even if you are unable to adequately absorb micronutrients from your diet, such as vitamins and minerals, you will still be able to metabolize calories and gain weight. Alcohol has been shown to promote excessive consumption of harmful junk foods that are low in the nutrients your body actually needs and high in sugar, salt, and fat. Rapid, systemic decrease in health. The circulatory, neurological, respiratory, and digestive systems in your body, as well as all the organs and parts that make up those systems, are interdependent. Every system in your body interacts with each other and learns from them in order to maintain your body functioning as efficiently and healthily as possible. All of your body's systems are put under tremendous strain by alcohol. Any health concern brought on by excessive alcohol consumption will put stress on other organs, tissues, and functions right away. This is why alcohol-related disorders and diseases rarely develop on their own. When one health issue arises, your body's other systems will begin to malfunction, leading to the emergence of additional health issues. It is very hard to slow down and stop once this lethal domino effect has started. Especially when the victim is struggling with an alcohol addiction that compels them to keep poisoning themselves on a daily basis. Keep in mind that alcohol is a harmful substance. Every day, it destroys lives, kills people, and robs families of their loved ones.